channel. Hello everyone, this is a daily update I'm currently also live streaming. This is a daily update before NYSS session. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience because I talk a bit slow in English. And like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, and comment below your thoughts. So monthly is broke the previous monthly high. Weekly is now rejecting this resistance. Daily is also yesterday closed below, but now we're making a huge liquidity grab to down. We're rejecting that level. Let's see if we have news today. We have these core retail sale USD news, but not GJ news. So GJ is failing to break higher, coming back inside this range. Sorry about that. 4 hour closed bearish, and if you see the video, the update that I made previous for the London session today, I said that if we close below this candle here, the body, if we close like this, the next candle has a lot of room to go down. Now we're approaching this previous resistance, but overall we have this clean traffic which we should mirror to the left side, to the right side. And in 2 hours we form some sort of support. We break now the support. 2 hour close without no wick at the bottom, so quite tricky. 1 hour also no wick at the bottom, so it means there's not a lot of range for price to go down. We have this type of support here, which we will put it that way. If we make a huge wick and then come back, broke the low, I think we have still room to go down, but I would love at least a resistance to be formed, or here and then move down, or here a support to be formed and then break the support for sells. For buys is gonna be tricky. I would love some price movement down to form a resistance and then break this resistance to move higher, and this is what I would enter for buys. So that's about it for GJ, I believe. 30-minute close with no wick in gold, but no wick at the bottom, so interesting. We're gonna keep an eye on that. Gold, however, is weekly move down as anticipated after this bearish closer and bad CPI data reports. Not bad, but it was better than the last time, but higher than forecasted. So that's why gold moved down, because there is indecision and dollar is gaining some strength. And yeah, now we're here at this crucial support on the daily time frame. On the 4 hour we closed bearish. We are in a bearish trend in a 4 hour, but for sells is tricky because this is always a rejection area, as you can see, and I would not prefer to take sells, especially after this whole two candles, like 200 pips already. I would love to price to come up, form a resistance, and then break the resistance candle low, and then come back to take a sell to retest this low that we made. That's what I would prefer for sells on gold. But let's go to 1 hour. Maybe let's go quickly to 2 hours. 2 hours are bearish. 1 hour, yeah, we are inside this range. So I believe if we break above here, if we have a break above, came back, retest, and break the high of the breakout candle, I think we have some room to go down somewhere to form that resistance and then continue lower. Or we can just have a U-turn setup, fake to the upside and come back immediately to the downside to continue the bearish momentum. For sells, I would prefer that. Or for sells, since we have this consolidation, I would also take sells just to the breakout, but after all these bearish move, I'm gonna be a bit suspicious, because also the news today is gonna affect gold, and because it's correlated with dollar, obviously. But yeah, either break below here for some sells to take, or then break, and then we need that confirmation, because we can easily get a U-turn set up here and then come inside the range and move up, which we can also take a trade after we have that break to the downside and then break to the upside. For buys, I can look for clean confirmation to the upside after we break resistance breakout candle high, then we can look for buys. But overall, if we miss those and price comes, but the perfect scenario would be price to come up to this rejection zone, show rejection sign, confirm resistance, break the confirmation candle, and then mirror this traffic to a left side here. So it's gonna be a long day today, because obviously for all of our setups we need to wait a bit. We're now just stuck in this range. I will not trade this range at all, and so we need to wait. It's gonna be a waiting game today more, but yeah, hopefully this video is helpful, and like and subscribe to support the channel.